ensure that we will do so.
National General Secretary ke BJP Rituraj Sinha ula ong bagaseng kan sa Khmih Thuh but yet benya Halor ke Jingbym la ban le bha ke BJP hakani ke election ke yeng dor ba thawam badang shudap chen Meghalaya abakran bekila pathai khubor usunha ula bu jinkeli babalei bat kumno ke seng ke thmu ban penklan ya ke jingdon jongka Meghalaya ke long ke mat jongka Khmih Thuh Habahun bat ki result usanha ula ong bagaseng ke lapdang ye ke jingjiet jong pat ba ke jela watla kalala banjob tang artli kishuki nakin repo tli kishuki bala ke penyeng kertong shu ula ong ba ke jingkershan bagaseng BJP ke yo naki brew ke jela ke lakiu nadu usnam ahaja khatpra.
In a healthy democracy, after the campaign ends and the election results are out, you accept the mandate of the people, and BJP has done exactly that. No, absolutely, I don't believe so. I think the support that we've got in the state of Meghalaya has only grown from 2018. We have seen a large number of people join our party. We could field candidates in all 60 assembly segments. The kind of crowds that have turned up for BJP events are recorded on camera. So obviously our support base has grown. Why and what more can be done to further strengthen the party is a matter of introspection, and that goes on always.